Hey, the sunshine, here in my hands I have my February Boxycharm premium box. So I'm back with you guys today. I don't have the other Boxycharm. It has not shown up. It's really weird. Usually my Boxycharms show up at the same exact time, but my other Boxycharm isn't set to come until next week. So here, just for today, we're going to be unboxing the premium box. So Boxycharm Premium is $35 a month, around there. I don't 100% remember exactly what it is, but I have no idea how many products are in here. The other Boxycharm is $22 a month. In it, you get 4 to 5 full-size products. So do we think Boxycharm Premium is going to blow us away this month? I was not that impressed with the Ipsy Ultimate box that I received, which is $50 a month, but I did really like the Ipsy Plus box, which is $20 a month. So I'm kind of hoping that maybe Boxycharm will win this month. The last couple months, Ipsy has been blowing me away, but I kind of have some faith in Boxycharm. I have no idea what's inside of this box, but before I keep blabbering on, let's see what's inside of there. Okay, so, ooh, the card is really pretty. We got some like ribbons. Looking in here. Ooh. Okay, let's see what's inside of this bad boy. I see something exciting already. Oh, something's full. Okay, I'm gonna like close my eyes and pull this out because it's kind of wrapped up in the foam, so I can't unbox the rest of the box without unboxing this. So, what is it? Oh, that's a massive palette. Holy crap. Picante from Karat. Oh, I feel like I've heard of this brand before. I feel like it's one of those brands that I've seen that's like they have like a subscription or something like that, but I'm not 100% sure. But I just feel like Karat is a brand that I've seen on like Facebook advertisements. But the packaging is beautiful. It's like a painting. Oh my gosh, 21 warm and vibrant eyeshadows. Oh, wow. Okay, I was not prepared to be like blown away by that bottom row in purple. Oh, no mirror, which is cool. Wow, I love this. Right here is stunning. It's a very warm palette, which I would like. This for fall would be phenomenal. This is so beautiful. I've never heard of this brand. I've never tried this brand. Also, look at this shade. This is pretty. It's so pretty. It's like duochrome. So like pink and gold reflex in it. Beautiful. Okay, I was like taken back by that. Okay, Boxycharm. This, and it's really big. This is like a really big palette too. Like, here's my face for comparison. Like, that's big. Okay, so I didn't unbox any of my subscription boxes for January. There was just a lot going on in my life last month, and so doing YouTube was just, it was too much. But in my Boxycharm last month, I received a Glow Recipe watermelon reparative, like the Glow Recipe watermelon mask. I don't remember if it's like reparative or whatever. So I received that, and then I also received in my Boxycharm Premium the like bigger bottle of it. Like I received like an oversized bottle of the same exact product. I have no idea what this is. I saw the watermelons, so I just pulled it out of the box. This is the Glow, okay. This is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Ultrafine Mist. So it's not the same exact product, but it is from the same collection. So I guess if you really liked it, which I like it, I think I like the Ulta's version better though. The Ulta's version just made my skin glow like so much more, but I love sprays. So that is so cute. Oh my gosh, that is so freaking cute. Let's see. Do we shake it up? That is so like, oh, that's really light and fresh. I'm not really getting a scent though, which is different, but that is super cute. I'm not mad about that. I'm actually really excited about that. I hope it makes my skin look glowier, doesn't it? I feel like right here looks a little bit glowier. What do you guys think? The next thing I'm pulling out is this mask. Everything in this box is so big. Oh, this is the Kors Basil Lemon Body Butter. So we have this massive lotion. I have no idea what it smells like, and I'm sick, so I don't really have a sense of smell right now. So we got a massive lotion, which I mean, it's okay. I don't know. I don't feel excited about this because I feel like lotion I could get from any subscription box anywhere. I do really love citrus scented products and stuff like that, so I'm excited that it's like at least something that I'm interested in using. But lotions and stuff like that, I have a feeling Boxycharm is gonna be like, this is like $30, and I would never, ever pay that for a lotion. So let's see. I'm gonna hold off on judgment for a minute. The next thing that I'm pulling out is a 24 karat gold moisturizer from a brand I've never heard of, so I'm gonna probably mispronounce her name. Focaccia. I have no idea. I don't know. Let's see what it looks like. Maybe it's like super fun moisturizer, but that to me is just like, I know lotions and face moisturizers are two different types of products. Like I know that they aren't the same thing, but it just feels uninventive. It doesn't feel refreshing. It doesn't feel original. Just kind of like the same thing when, you know, when you get too many liquid liners like in a row. It's been a while since I've gotten a mascara. So, and I know mascaras used to, how do you open this? Mascaras used to be the thing that I received a lot of, and now they're not. Okay. Ooh, whoa. Ooh, that is so fancy. Ooh, okay. And I don't really understand like what 24 karat gold like supposedly does, because it's just gold flake. Let's see if it has any smell. I can't get the lid off. Okay, so again, sick, can't smell. Interesting. Okay, so I don't know. Not really loving it. Oh, hey, I see something from Tarte. Ooh, hydrating base primer. Ooh, yes, Tarte. Again, I love primers. I don't know. I just feel like that's something so different. I don't get a lot of in boxes, so it's very different. And I love Tarte. They're one of my favorite high-end brands, and hydrating for winter is always great. Even though it's like not winter anymore, it's like February, but it's like, I mean, today's like 30 degrees where I live, but ooh, so cute. I don't know why I was expecting this to be clear for some reason. It looks like glue in a bottle, but I was really expecting it to be clear. And the last thing that I'm pulling out of my Boxycharm Premium, ooh, is this, oh, I thought it was a highlighter. Ambient Lighting Blush from Hourglass. I'm here for that. It says the shade name is Diffused Heat. I've never had a full-size Hourglass product. This is a big day for me. I don't know. It's not something that I always like, oh, I need to have something from Hourglass, but it's so exciting to have like a high-end brand that I've heard so many people talk about. And I like blush. I mean, I miss highlighters. I would love more highlighters, but a blush is always really, really nice too. Okay, so let's talk about prices because I'm very curious. Oh, that's not bad. It says that this is only $29. I feel like that's really reasonable. The palette, again, is massive. Like, here's my arm. Like, it looks legit. Like, it's so big. So it says that the palette is $29, which I approve of. The Glow Recipe Watermelon Ultrafine Mist has a juicy blend of 84% watermelon, has a retail value of $28. See, this is where things get crazy. The Hourglass Blush has a retail value of $40. This has a retail value, the 24 karat gold moisturizer has a retail value of $100. The Tarte Cosmetics Hydrating Primer has a retail value of $30. And the Core's Body Butter has a retail value of $32. And then on the bottom, I think it's giving us some spoilers for the Boxy Luxe box that's coming next month, which I already have that, so I will be getting that next month. Okay, I'm not mad at this box. I just, you know, like, it's just like, okay, like, I got it, and I don't know. I think 2 moisturizer products is lame. It's not exciting. I'm very excited about this. I'm very excited that I recognize like 2 of these brands in here. I'm excited about this personally. Like I'm very happy that I received this. I love receiving primer, and I'm so excited about this eyeshadow palette. Setting mists are always fun. I guess I'm just bummed out that like they were like, yeah, this is $100 when they could have sent like 2 or 3 other products that I'm actually going to use in the box instead of being like, yeah, we're just going to send this big ticket item and the box is worth so much money. I'm not very excited about that. But overall, I don't think this box is bad. I've definitely received worse boxes from Boxycharm. Overall, this box is okay. So that is everything that I received in my February Boxycharm Premium. What do you guys think of this box? I can't wait to hear what your thoughts are in the comment section down below. I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next video.